everyone, me here Pari Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is tuple in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is Python tuples. So the Python tuples are used to store the multiple values into a single variable. So the types of tuples can be, we can use the simple tuple also, and the next one can be duplicate tuple. Next one can be, if you want to know the length of the tuple, so we can use also the length tuple. After that, data type. So in this way we can use the tuple into the different ways. So we can use a normal tuple also. We can use a duplicate also. If I am taking two values that are same, even then the word will be printed. So the length is like, if I have taken some variables, suppose I have taken 1, 2, 3. So the length of this is 3 because that is 1, 2 and 3. So the data types is also there. So it use the data types. Example, I have taken 3 variables. So it having the different data types. So the next one could be the type. Type is referred as, if I am taking here the value that is A, so this type is string. If I am taking here the word that is 1, so this is number, that is integer. So if I am taking 1.2, so this is known as the float. So in this multiple ways we can use the tuples in the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is tuple in Python programming language. So first of all, we'll create a simple tuple, that is a variable that is my tuple, and the value is, suppose I'm taking the first value that is A, second value is B, and third value is C. So the tuples are been declared into a round braces. So after that we'll print the function, like print function, in which we are declaring that print the variable value that is my tuple. So we'll see the result, that is the value of the my tuple is been printed. So this is how we can use the my tuple in the Python programming language. And the second one is, for an example, if we want to know the length of the tuple, so we can do as, first of all, a variable and the values. Suppose my variable name is my tuple and the value in the round braces is, so I'm writing here the value that is A, second value is B, and the third value is C, as on the fourth value I'm taking that is D, for an example. So round brace is closed, and now I'll write the print function. So I'll print the length, that is len, the length of the variable that is my tuple. So the brace is closed, so the output is 4 because there are 4 words in this. The length is 4, that is A, B, C and D. So we are asking the tuple length, that is the number 4. So next is, we can create the tuple with one item. For an example, first of all we'll take a variable in which I am asking that my value Rupali, that is again comma. After that we will print the function to see that if it is a tuple or not. We will print the function, that is, so this is not a tuple, so the values are not declared, so it have taken the values of the uppercase, as I have put it the comma after the word that is Rupali. So now the another example of the tuple is that we can create as I have taken the value that is a, and after that I'll find the type of this. So now the value of tuple is a. So the next example is that is tuple data types. So first data type I have written that is my tuple 1, and the values are a, and the second variable is my tuple 2 for an example, and I am taking the value that is b, and the third one is I am taking the data type value that is the value that is c. So now we'll use the print function to see the types. So the first data type is I have printed that print my value that is my tuple. So the answer is A, because I printed the first data type. So the next one, if I have to print the C1, then I will use the print function and I will write the variable name that is my tuple 3. So it will declare the 3 tuple value that is the answer C. So the next one is, for an example, if you want to see the type of a tuple variable, so first of all for the example I am taking the my tuple variable. The example is, suppose I have written the value that is apple. So we'll use a print function to see the type of this. So I will write in the round braces that is the type of my tuple. So the type of my tuple is, that is, for an example, this is a string. So the apple is known as a string as a character. So the second example is I am taking a variable that is my tuple and the value is, that is, I am taking 1. So now I'll make a print function in which I am asking the type of my tuple. So we have to write a type here. So we'll write a print my tuple type. So the answer is int. Int is known as integer as the number 1 is integer. So the another example of a type is, suppose I am taking a variable my tuple and now I am giving the value that is in the decimal formation, that is I am giving 1.2 for an example, which is a decimal part. So now I'll write the print function for this. So I'll write print my type of my tuple. So this type is known as the float because it is a decimal value. So 1.2 is a float value. So in this type we can use the tuple into a Python programming language, as we can use it in a simple function and can be used and to know the length, and can be used for the data types, and can be used to see the types of the tuples. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.